Hey, all of you on the anxiety chat group of anxiety of those things of that. I started to have anxiety of the sound of my voice and my height and the age 24 and of growing up of that. Does all of you have anxiety of those things and have anxiety of that? There could be help for me and help for all of you of every single one of us who has anxiety of those things of that. We're just gonna have to search for help of our anxiety of that. Yeah. One of you keep on reading and writing. Thanks.